Hey mga Vakla, what's up y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Gigi. And today, we will be doing another, not a makeup tutorial, but magta-try tayo ng bagong product. We will be testing out ang nagta-trending na Dalgona coffee or whipped coffee. I really don't know kung anong tawag sa kanya, but I found the recipe online and mukhang easy lang siya. So let's try this if this one would work. I'm just trying to look for it on Instagram kung ano itsura ng Dalgona coffee. And it something looks like that. Okay, this is a post from Ramen Hair Girl. Yan, ganyan yung itsura niya. Ayan yung itsura niya. So, sana magaya natin siya. I'm so excited because if you don't know me, guys, I love coffee. I'm obsessed with coffee. I can't start my day without iced coffee. To be honest, mas gusto ko talaga yung coffee if it's iced, especially in this kind of weather. Magsa-summer na, so sobrang init. I'm so excited to try this out, you guys. So, if you want to know how I did the Dalgona coffee, so keep on watching mga Vakla. So, let's get started! So, first, kailangan mo nang lalagyan ng mixture ng kape. So, in my case, I'm gonna be using this coffee mug. And then, ayan, yung ratio na gagamitin ko is 2 teaspoon ng coffee. This is the instant coffee. Tapos, 2 teaspoon then na sugar. Tapos, sa ratio naman ng water, I also use 2 teaspoon ng water. Tapos, sinala ko lang siyang using the fork. Pero, it didn't work. So, I also try to use a teaspoon naman para mahalo siya ng maayos. At it works. The good thing about this is wala akong whisk na panghalo. But, again, gumana naman siya. So, effort lang. So, hinalo ko siya for almost 5 to 10 minutes. And ganito yung texture na gusto nyong makuha, which is super thick na medyo foamy. You also need an ice and a milk. So, in my case, ang ginamit ko ay ang Selecta fortified low-fat milk. Then, kumuha ko ng tumbler. Yan lang yung nakuha kong tumbler. Wala na akong mahanap na clear. I'm so sorry, guys. But I just pour it onto the ice. Tapos, yun. Sabi ng ate ko, tinry niya din daw gumawa ng Dalgona coffee, but it didn't work. Ang nangyari sa kanya is yung mixture na hinalo niya is nag-sink or lumubog lang dun sa milk. But on my case, gumana naman siya. So, I think it really depends kung paano mo siya hinalo at paano mo nakuha yung consistency. And it works. Nakita nyo naman, medyo nahirapan ako ilagay siya. So, ayun na nga mga Vakla. Sobrang hirap maghalo-halo nung coffee mixture. Pero sobrang ganda niya. Hindi nyo lang ma-appreciate siya. Pero kasi colored yung tumbler na pinaglagyan ko. But anyways, if you can see, ayan, may ombre effect siya from brown to light brown to white to the milk. Sobrang ganda niyan tignan. Which is hindi siya. Hindi nyo makita kasi I just realized na hinahanap yung tumbler ko for whenever I'm using iced coffee. Yung sa Starbucks, na reusable cups. The thing is, naiwan ko siya sa office. So, nakakainis. Anyway, so, ayan na nga siya, guys. Hindi ko mapakita na maayos kasi matatapon. Siguro mga around 5 to 10 minutes ko din siyang hinahalo continuously para maging super foamy talaga yung texture niya. So, I'm so excited to try it. Oh my God. Oh my God. It tastes so good. Kailangan lang siguro siyang haluin. Actually, the taste, it kind of tastes like the iced Americano ng Starbucks. May pagkaganon siya. This is amazing! I love it! So, guys! Mga Vakla, hindi tayo fail ngayon kasi sobrang kinakabahan ako. Kala ko mag-fail ako. Pero hindi. Oh my God. I love it. Hinalo ko siya ng hinahalo kasi I'm trying to dissolve yung solution or yung mixture na ginawa natin kanina. This is a must try, you guys. Dalgona coffee, amazing. I love it. At yun lang mga bakla, sana na-enjoy nyo ang panonood ng aking mini vlog try on today. And I'm so happy with the outcome of it. Because again, sobrang fan ako ng iced coffee. I am living for iced coffee. So kung nagustuhan nyo din ang video na to, please give this video a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and click the notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. And mga bakla, please don't forget to follow me on all my social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and of course, TikTok. I'm on TikTok, you guys. Lahat ng social media I'm gonna be putting right here. And follow nyo ako, to subscribe nyo ako, guys, so that we'll get in touch with each other. And please, I'm encouraging everybody, mga bakla, please stay at home. Wag na po tayong pasaway, wag nang matigas ang ating ulo. So yun, mag-stay at home na lang tayo. Magawa kayo ng Dalgona coffee. Ganon. So yun lang mga bakla. And please don't forget to watch my previous video. And of course, I'm gonna see you guys on my next vlog. Mga bakla, remember, always be yourself. Bye! I'm out. Boom!